Hello everyone. So today will be a little bit different video because I actually not scrapping now because I have to do some other stuff as well. And as you can see in my workshop, this is like one part, scrap part. And there's the second one. It's like a little kitchen. Yeah, just a lot of stuff because I as well do like to cook. There's some jars what I just saved. This is my fermentation boxes for my wine. Yeah, I got a lot of hobbies. There's some stuff. Yeah, some jars with fruits and some electronic as well. Yeah, today I will play in this part. This is the second part of my workshop. So there's my wine rack. I just need to put more levels because now I actually filled it up totally. But today I play with my kitchen. Here I just have some pork fat, cut it into small pieces and just put it to make it like dissolve, or yeah, later on I will give some. Yeah, here I have bacon, here I have another meat, then I will give a little bit of garlic I have here, a bit onion, some spices, and just let it cool, leave it for the night at least, and later on I will use it on my sandwiches. It's just great stuff. I do love it. So that's the second part of my workshop. Now there's just top for my distillator, some kind of oil, some boxes, some seeds. I believe this was come out from pumpkin. I just want to save it, why not. There I have in these boxes, I have my dried mushrooms. I pick it myself in the forest at the time when they are growing. I do like them as well, especially going to the forest and just search after them. I can just go and forget about the world for all day until it's light. It's calming me down, and yeah, I just need to get as much fat as I can of that. Maybe I have a little bit too hot. Just keep it down a little bit. Yeah, that's the board. This board I pick up on one flat what I have to clean. It's just great. I love it. It has this stainless steel board. Of course I do not cut on this because all my knives get like broken, but anyway, it's easy to clean, it's easy to work on it, and I have like nice surface to work. Oh yeah, what else do I have here? There's one of wine I'm trying to make it. I believe standing here at least 2 years already, but I believe it's come out vinegar instead of wine. I just need to try it because I just didn't take out the fruit after a few weeks. It's still sitting there somehow. Yeah, mostly you know me from that area, but there's the second part of my workshop, and this is nicely bulking. I like that sound. That's good. Yeah, some time ago I get some apples from someone. I don't really know what I should do with them, but they are already laying here like, I don't know, 3 weeks. Some of them I have to throw out, but just have no idea to do something of them. Idea or time. Yeah, little microwave, nothing spectacular. Tiny ventilation system, just for ventilators tangled together and connected to the some kind of steering things. There's just some mousetrap just in case. Oh yeah, few knives. There's mosquito lamps. It's running all the time, just to being sure. Yeah, there's my collection of old computers. Some old carrots. I believe I have to just throw them away. And as well, some time ago I get, as you can see, quite amount of coffee from one lady. I don't know why she's giving me stuff, but yeah, get it, so why not? Yeah, let's just mix it a bit. It's beginning to look nice. All these fat pieces, it will get crunchy later on. So I actually believe I'm ready to put something onto this. So I'll just drop my camera into holder. I will go with the meat. How should I do it? I don't wanna splash a lot. I just actually prepared it yesterday, cut into smaller pieces. Okay, it's not that hot like I was thinking. Anyway, just drop it in. Nice. It's smelling really nice in here right now. Just dip it in this fat and let it smash it for a bit in this hot oil, fat, or whatever you call it. Okay, so that's it for now. Let it cook. Okay, what else? Let's get my camera out. Yeah, okay, so as you can see, my wine rack, I play with the wine as well. And actually this is one of oldest, one of first what I make. As you can see, date on it 2012. So all these white caps is the same wine of wild rose fruits. It's just good. You like it. And again, this shelf, I don't really love it. Just has some storage place. Okay, something fall out. Just my gear for making bread. Yeah, a lot of sugar. These drawers, just great. Quite big. I keep all my stuff in here. parts for this juicer, or yeah, this is for making sausages. I do make them as well from time to time, and some other supplies like pasta, salt. Yeah, just great. I got a tiny little fridge in here. Don't used to have a lot of stuff in this, but yeah, fridge is always useful. There is one more wine balloon, I believe it's called. Yeah, an extra tiny electric kitchen if I run out of space on this one. There's steering for my kitchen. Actually, I got manual and auto. Actually, this light should shine, but the bulb inside get broken. So anyway, still work. If I set for the auto, I got temperature in here, so I set the right temperature, and this is just starting kitchen or switching it off. I use it for my distillator, so I don't have to stand here and adjust it every time. Yeah, last time I as well playing with the alcohols, so I make some vodka and I just put some mint inside. I don't open it yet, so I hope will be like vodka with the taste of mint. Second one, I put some spices. I don't know how they are named in English, but it gets nice color actually, this one. Again, I put some mandarins inside. Also get a little bit of color, but yeah, we will see after some time. It's already laying like, I don't know, let's say maybe 2-3 months. Here again some spices in. So that was just fun. And it's just laying in here and waiting for the right time. Okay, what my meat saying? He say I need to be mixed. Okay, I just need to get rid of all the water from the meat. I got low heat right now, so I will just let it cook for some time. Onion I will give at the end, same as garlic, and probably some spices as well. Yeah, this is like something I bought not so long time ago. It's like mini smoke. Yeah, smokehouse. Sounds stupid, but for smoking meat. I do make some sausages and try to smoke it. Comes out quite okay. No, I just opening my Sunday beer. Why not? It's Sunday. Okay, so this we will leave for now. And no, there I have a load of bottles for my wines. Yeah, supply of beers, some stuff. Keyboards from the laptops. I'm not really sure what I should do with them. Probably ask the guy at the scrapyard what he give it for that. I have full box of lenses from projectors. I was trying to make some giveaway, but no one liked it, and not so many people has see this video as well. No, there's one computer I'm proud of. Commodore PC 1. I got this cassette reader and this small drive, floppy drive, and this 525 big drive mounted in. So, and it's actually working. I also have this screen for that, the green one anyway, which is great. Yeah, and this is my actually wine factory. As you can see, a lot of bottles, fermentation boxes, some jars with the fruits. This is actually laying here from 2014. There's some from 16. This is just plums. I just took it out from this. I get some fruit, just put spiritus on it. Later on took out the fruits. That's what's left. And one time I'll just begin to eat them because they are sweety, very sweet, and of course has a lot of alcohol inside. I eat some of them and I just get drunk. Anyway, way home was quite hard. Oh yeah, and that's some computer just to play with or have music. Again, rest I believe you all guys seen already. So, but this part actually it's the first time I'm showing, I believe. Oh, there I have some old LP plate player and cassette player, tape player. I don't want to scrap it because it's old and nice. Maybe not perfect condition, but yeah. Some drawers, also nice. I do like them. All the spices and such a stuff. Anyway, so that will be it for now. That's the thing what I just playing with today. Maybe I make some pictures and show you after I finish to cook this. Maybe show it on the bread or something, but I don't know, we will see. So take care and have fun.